Kanot Garo Hills kalayo padiang ya Jaka Pynmih Umsoh Kaba he tam hakathan shatei lammingi ya Kaba latei hammendi pathar. Ya kani Jaka Pynmih Umsoh jongka Varun Beverages Limited batipru kumka PepsiCo. Laple pat ba menta kasngi de menteri rang ba Khubor konrat ke sangma. Ya kani Jaka Pynmih Umsoh la penyeng Jaka Kaba he hadu lai pu nyau akar hammendi pathar industrial area hakajinglut kabalakot syaka lai spa sau phoklur. Habakran hakani kasngi menteri rangba ulaong ba kate ka project kala long ka jingker khu ya Khuborjylla na bakan plelat haka yo kam yo jam bat haka jing mentoy ya ki pad ba kathan.
This is rubber plant only.
हाँ?
This is rubber plant.
लगता है आपने मेरी बात सुनी सर.
Nice. Thank you.
हाँ कोई कपड़ा.
Indian language यहाँ पे. Today we have inaugurated the Varun Beverages Pepsi plant here in Mendipatha in North Garo Hills, Meghalaya. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of RB Corp and Varun Beverages, Shri Ravi Jaipuria ji, and other board members, Mr. Varun Jaipuria and others, for having selected Mendipatha, North Garo Hills and Meghalaya to set up this particular unit of Pepsi and its products, the bottling unit right here. This is a 340 crore plant, and full investment of course has been done by the company, and this is the largest bottling plant in the entire Northeast, and almost all the products of Pepsi and additional products will be bottled and manufactured right here in this location, and this is a huge push towards the overall economic development of this region and the state as a whole. You may recall that this industrial area was, the land was donated in the 1990s, and since then it's been 35 years and no major industries have come up. So this is a great blessing for the people of this area, this region, and the state as a whole. And I'm sure that with investments like these, with the jobs that have been created, we expect more and more industries to come in and set up their factories out here. And we take this opportunity to invite them to come and set up their units here in Meghalaya. And we'll be happy to support them for the overall development, as I said, of the state, and also to provide employment opportunities for our youngsters. Thank you very much.